Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Space, where engineers break the border of engineering. Today we're gonna continue our study in structural analysis, but now in previous video we just talk about the way to analyzing structure using Robot Structural Analysis Professional by Autodesk. For today we're gonna use one of software analysis in structural engineering, especially in civil engineering, that was well known in infrastructure industry, and it's called as SAP 2000 or SAP 2000. So what we're gonna design is the water tank, where SAP 2000 is software that distributed by computers and structures incorporate. And there are several software, not only SAP 2000 but also their etaps, and then SAFE, and also just iBridge. But for this time we're gonna use SAP 2000. So here we go. This is the software, the view of the software, and what we're gonna create is, let me tell you a little bit. And yeah, we're gonna create something like this. It is a water tank using a steel frame design. So let's go back to the SAP 2000 and then we create new model here. Yeah, so after that, as you can see here in the new model window, we can select template that has several options, from plain grid only beam to the trusses, 3D trusses, to the frames, wall, flat shape, until pipes and plates. And for this time we're gonna choose 3D trusses. We'll cancel burst, and then now new dimension, new window just appear. This is how it looks like, but we can choose another types. And following our model that we're gonna create, I think it should be transmission tower 3, but let me check one by one. I think it's not same, right? I think it's not same, right? And then this one looks similar, and yeah, this one also. Okay, this one. Well, I think we may try using transmission tower 3, and then let me back to what we have prepared to you guys. This is the elevation Z and the width of the project that we're gonna create. So let me hand sign it. Oh, it will be elevation and width, of course. And last 4705. Okay, if you miss what I want to write on this, just pause the previous video and you can see the elevation and width that we're gonna create on this project. So we go to the width right now. So we choose 1565, 1425, 1287, 1155. All right, set B1, and also 1028, and the last is 957. So if I give you a simple explanation, as you can see here, from this point into this point is the width, and from this point into this point is the elevation, or in this table we enter the elevation and the width. So in 4705 elevation, and that's equal to millimeter, or 4.7 meters, it will be have a width of the geometry 975 millimeters. So that's what it's mean. And then let me back to this point, it should be 1 also. And then yeah, so after that, after we just create this, we're gonna choose the section properties. Well, if you okay, I think I need to enter the one here, so there is no, as you can see, we don't have any option here, so simply just plus here, and then we create a new property. And we're gonna try to design this water tank using the L angle models or shape. That of course we're gonna use steel, and then yeah, simply just press this one. As you can see, now we're gonna define the angle section, but previously we need to also define the material properties that we're gonna use as the main base for the L shape that we're gonna create, or angle shape that we're gonna use in designing the frame design, right? So we have 3 options here. Basically this is the default material that imported by the system, and for this one is for the concrete, of course, and this one for steel and aluminum. Okay, so because we're going to use Indonesian standard, as you can see here, this is the current standard that I just collected from the government of Indonesia. And yeah, we're gonna use this code in designing our frame design. So let me just press plus here and then add new material here based on user still. Okay, and okay, let me just type here as so with modulus elasticity is 200 kilonewton, and then with the Fy range equal to 39, and then it's so b 0.56. let's make it same 0.6, and yeah, I think it's enough. Let's press OK here, and then OK again, and then we just use this one BGTS 14, and we're gonna use the L shape 55 times 50, so it should be 50 here, 50 here, and it should be 5 also here, and this is 5. Okay, but okay, it's okay, we're gonna use 6. We don't know how to define the L shape or angle section on this field. I think you can use the Eurocode or American standard for frame design, and yeah, this just the default that we're gonna create, but later we're gonna also import several properties to make our model more efficient. Let me try to use just this option first, right? So I just let me put here ID to identify that this is the Indonesian standard and material that well used here and well used in Indonesia, of course. So just press OK, and then once again OK. So automatically the chords and braces will be filled with this angle shape, and I think it's okay, no problem this. So let's press OK once again. So yeah, this is how our project looks like. It will be automatically add some braces right here, and well, this is something that I think will be helpful, but let me make it more interesting by, I mean, like erasing some braces, and also to erasing braces but can handle at least 1000 liters water over here, right? So okay, let me try to edit something here. Okay, I think I'll try to delete here, and then also so I think try to remove this one also. To easier us, let me choose from XY point, and then this is from the elevation 3769. Let me go to the 0 point. Okay, 4. Oh, see, wait. Okay, we'll try to erase also this one. Okay, this is the top section of the area that we're gonna create. I just want to make it more interesting by trying to make it can hold the water tank directly in this frame. So let me first erase this one, and then let me divide this one into maybe 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 section, right? Okay, I think I have a design that already purposely created. Let me go to the initial design of this water tank. So we're gonna create like this one. So basically, as you can see here, we can divide the frame into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 section. Then okay, let me back to the SAP 2000 design. So we're gonna divide it into divide the frames by this one into 4, then to play. Okay, so it was clear, and this one also by 4, and then press close. Let me go to alright, I think this will be good view for us. Now after this, so we can also extend this one into like Okay, so after that, let me put here just like this, and then okay, I think one last thing that we need is also to add the edge of the section by extending the frame. Like, okay, well, we need to create one here. Okay, that's good, I think. So all we need now, just try to connecting it to here by creating the frame again from this section into this section. See this section. Alright, if you don't know how to, I can create it without click it once again. Once you just put a point here, yes, so you can, so it's not continuous, just press right click so you can create new one, right? So let's see, try to extrude it again. Right, so it is how it's gonna be looks like. And then if I go back to here, try to extrude it, showing the object. Okay, so it's gonna look like this, right? So I think this was good enough, but let's make it more simple. I think this is too complicated for us. So let me try to erase the braces. Okay, let's make it more. So bonding box, and then yeah, I think this was enough. Okay, we're gonna erase some part here. I think this gonna be looks more weird. Okay, wait, let me just move to this section so you guys gonna have good view. Out from here. So well, try to remove this one. As you can see here, this one area, press delete, go to the bottom again, select again, and then press oh wait a minute, so this is the right thing, the right one. I think as you can see here, it was blocked here, so just press delete here, and okay, just erase it. So let me move to the other level, select again, press delete. Well, you know, I don't know, does this model gonna be sweet for to hold the 1000 liters water later, but yeah, we just want to make it more efficient than before, right? So let me move this one into this area. Okay, so for this one we just go through again, upper again, until you can see here next section. As you can see here, just select it again, the second row, and let it try to press delete. Okay, just remove it and then go again until you go down to here, so you can select it and press delete again. So now our model gonna be looks like this. And for this section I think I need to remove also the braces to more efficiency the cost later. Let me try to delete this one, also this section, and go to this section. Okay, let me press delete here. Okay, I think this was good. Let me make it more transferring the object so you can have better view. Alright, so this how it looks like, guys. And then I think let me try to put something like the foot here from this section to this section. So I'll try to break the section here. So I mean, like, I want to connecting a steel frame from here into here by welded, and from this area into this area, and also the otherwise. So I think we need to edit the line here by let me back to the initial drawing. Yes, this one I mean, like, we try to create new one here, so I think the elevation should be in 694, but let me try to define it, creating them, then go to from this area. So it should be 438, as you can see here. And then from this section into this section is 267. Okay, let me try to 438, and then we just press OK here. Okay, we get the point here, like here, 267, and then it should be from this section into this section is 1153, but the first is 267. Okay, good to define again. Sorry, I mean, like, edit the line, define the frames, and then okay, just create it in this section. So I think I also need to edit the line here, so it should be Okay, so right now we have the section here that was divided. Let me go to this section, edit the lines. Okay, that's good. So all we need now just connecting the line from, well, for that let me go to general offset. Here we try to shrink and bounding box. Alright, just connected. Let's go to another side. I think we need to edit the line here. Then give the absolute for 438. Then let me put the frame into this section. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Everything is connected to this one, the bounding box, don't string, just fill object. Okay. So after that, I think I'll just set up for the all of the geometry here. So all we need now just to defining something like the load cases and so on. Let's go to define, go to function response spectrum, then add new function. Let me choose this one, and yeah. Well, if you need to more understand about what its response spectrum function mean and what the meaning of the S1 and the site class definition and function damping ratio and so on, you may go on to the other videos from the other channel that you can press from the top bottom of this video. So let me just go through defining the site class for response spectrum for the area that we gonna settle the design itself. Response spectrum, let's make the code as response spectrum in, maybe put here Jakarta, and let's we go to the site. As I can got from the website, we got the several parameter that we're gonna use. It is the SS and S1 and also the TL. For SS, as you can see, we need to 0.78. So okay, sorry, 0.7806. For the S1 is 0.3823. For the time long period transition, it will be 20, and the state class is B. Just here like this. So just press OK. So I'll set up. So I think that's enough for this lesson. We're gonna continue it on the next video. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.